Many of my friends ask me the secret of nice foliage and lush green plants that I'm growing. Today I thought I will share the secret with y'all. These are the bioenzymes that I'm growing for all my plants. The onion peel bioenzyme, which is high in nitrogen. Same way, the rich gourd bioenzyme is very nutritious for our plants, and the in this I have used a complete banana, which is very high in potassium and very good for our plants. I thought I will share the secret with all my friends so that even they can grow plants with nice green foliage in their garden and enjoy lush green plants. This friend is banana. This has complete banana in it, and the previous one was the pomegranate peel, had pomegranate peels in it. I will show you step by step how I am using. So, good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Organic Gardening Mantra. You can also make bioenzymes with all the fruits and vegetable peels from your kitchen. This bottle has grapes in it, black grapes in it. This will take some time to get ready. To disintegrate. If you can see, the seeds have come out, but grapes take some time to disintegrate. This fruit enzyme is very good source of nutrient for your fruit plants and flowering plants. This is rich gourd. Rich gourd peels. This is 1 month old. It has already started disintegrating. Once it is completely ready, you can use it for watering your plants. This becomes so nutritious and so strong that you have to take only 10 ml in 1 liter of water. Only 10 ml. Same way, I have prepared this banana. One full banana is there in this 1 liter of water. To help the banana decompose and disintegrate and get soluble in the water, I have put 1 spoon of sour curd and 1 spoon of jaggery. Sour curd improves the bacteria in this, and jaggery aids it to decompose and disintegrate. I have not used any other decomposer in any of my liquids that I am making for my garden. And I also take care not to use any chemical fertilizers, or because it disturbs the ecosystem. Plants have developed their own ecosystem if you nourish it with all organic matter. They will have earthworms, and as you know, earthworm is a farmer's friend which makes the soil very porous and nourishes the soil. This is one onion peel. Only one onion peel I have taken. Actually, this cover, you should continue to have this cover on the bottle so that it is a barrier between the liquid and the sunlight, and it helps to decompose faster. But for giving a better view to you people, I have removed the label, but it is better to continue to have the label because the liquid will be dark inside. Like this, you can see. You should not remove any label on the bottle. Let it be so that it is a barrier between the sunlight and the liquid. Now you must be wondering, what is this? This is when you have leftover rice, a cup full of leftover rice, fill it, add 1 liter water to that cup full of rice and keep it for 2 days. After 2 days, that water turns into spirit, and you can store that water in a container. Now what to do with this water? This water, you can take 1 cup of this water, this rice spirit water. You can take 1 cup of this water and mix it in 5 liters. 5 liters of water, ordinary water, and give a shower to your plants. This spirit dissolves all the eggs of the pests that are there on your leaves. Give a nice shower to your plant, but remember to dilute it in 5 liters water because this is spirit. And give a nice shower to your plants. It will dissolve all the sticky things, eggs, whatever is laid on the leaves and under the leaves, the mealy bugs, everything, aphids, everything will be destroyed. Even ant eggs, if it is there, it will be washed out by this water. And this is pomegranate peel. Same way you can make with orange peel, banana peel. This is a full banana, 1 complete banana. Now I will show you how to use this liquid. This is the onion peel liquid enzyme that I have prepared. Onion peel is the easiest one and the fastest one that will get ready. You can start using it within 3 days and continue to keep it till all the matter dissolves and disintegrates. See, ten ml of this enzyme. Mix it in 1 liter of water, and this liquid, if you use for your money plant, Chinese evergreen, all the foliage plants love this juice. It helps them to grow nicely. All these plants I have moved indoors because winter is coming. And poor things, they can't, they will get destroyed again. Summer they got destroyed, somehow they have recouped, even in this Dracaena also, like this liquid. So like we love different types of juices, these are the juices that I give to my plants. There is a different time period for disintegration and dissolving of these vegetable peels and fruit peels in the water, depending on the thickness of the peels. Onion peel, and within 15 days you can use ridge gourd peel. You can start using in 1 month. The same way, this pomegranate peel, it takes time, because I have not used anything to aid it to dissolve. It is plain and simple, so when it dissolves, it will be very natural. Same way, banana, grapes. This rice spirit, you can use it in right away. So friends, these are the juices and liquids I used to give nice shower and bath to my plants, and they enjoy this fluids and enzymes and nourish and grow into very nice beautiful foliage, which I really like. So friends, thank you for watching my video. If you like the content of this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. I will be encouraged to make many more such videos for you. Thank you.